Get a 351% reward by staking. This is Sponge V2, the new meme coin by Sponge, which currently has a $22 million market cap. Is this a new opportunity to get a 100% return and more? Well, stay until the end to find out. We're talking about none other than Sponge V2, the meme coin that's more fun than a sponge who lives in a pineapple under the sea. So what's the deal with Sponge V2? Well, picture this, a meme coin that's not just about the lol, but also about some serious crypto action. Sponge V2 is like the sequel of a blockbuster movie. You know, the one that you didn't know you needed until you saw it. Sponge version 1 is a success, with a $100 million market cap at all-time high, with over 13,000 holders and being in over 10 plus centralized exchanges. So why would Sponge version 2 not be as successful? Hear me out. Sponge V2 first off got this unique staking mechanism. You need to have Sponge V1 tokens, and then you can stake them for V2. It's like feeding your gremlin after midnight, but in a good way. Things get interesting. Plus, there's more. They're rolling out a play-to-earn game. Yeah, you heard that right. You get to play games and earn V2 tokens. It's like being rewarded for eating pizza, every gamer's dream, right? But let's be honest, there's always a catch. As with any crypto, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Investing in Sponge V2, like diving into any meme coin, comes with its share of risks. It's a bit like riding a roller coaster. Thrilling, but not for the faint-hearted. The key here is volatility. Remember, the crypto market can be as unpredictable as the weather in April. One day it's sunny, and the next you're looking for Noah's Ark. So what's the future looking like for Sponge V2? Are we talking moon landing or Titanic situation? Well, the buzz is real, and the community is growing faster than my need for coffee in the morning. But always do your homework. Don't just jump on the bandwagon because it's playing your favorite tune. Research. Understand the risks, and remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. It's like gambling in Vegas. Play smart, my friends. If there is a winner, there is a loser in the other end. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter for free crypto at predictions@prater.co. Smash like and see you in the next one.